All right, so hello everybody. Good morning. Hello. Oh, where is Tom and Linda? Okay, so hello everybody. How are you? How are you today? How are you, Misa? How are you, Linda? Anna? Yes. Can you open your microphone? How are you today?
I'm okay.
Okay, you're doing good. All right. Okay, how about Misa? Misa, how are you? How are you today?
Yes,
How are you today? How do you feel today? Are you happy, excited, sad, angry, surprised, or tired? How are you, Misa?
happy.
You are? I am?
I am happy.
Okay, I am happy today. Can you say it? I am happy today. Yes. Okay. So we are now going to continue our lesson. Okay, so let me share our topic for today. All right. So last class we learned the topic about this one, right? So we learned to speak and to answer yes or no to the question. Okay, so this time we are now going to move to the next lesson. Okay, so we are now here on lesson 3. So family and friends. Okay, can you follow, teacher? Family and friends. Family and friends. Can you follow? Family and friends. Hello, everybody. Yes, open your microphone. Okay, let's speak. Linda, Misa, Anna, Nick. Okay, follow teacher. Family and friends. Family and friends. Hello, can you hear teacher? You follow. You follow teacher, you speak. Family and friends.
Family and friends.
Okay. So we are going to learn today about family and friends. How about Nick? How about Anna and Misa? You say family and friends. Family and friends. Okay, you say family and friends.
Family and friends.
Okay. So do you know family? Right? Family means mom, dad, brother, and sister. Right? When you say friends, that is your okay, friends. Like when you say friends, those are other people that you know. Okay? Everybody?
Mm.
So now let's look at the picture. Okay, I want you to look at the picture and
Mm.
let us put a line. So, for example, look at the pictures and draw
Mm.
lines. So, this is Sam's mother. So, we are going to put a line to Sam's mother. Okay, How about the others? Can you put a line? Okay, I want you to draw. Okay, you can put a line to the person. So where is Sam's cat? Sam's sister, Sam's father, the baby, and boy. Okay, can you put a line? Yeah, you can draw. I want you to draw. Yes? Okay, put a line. Everybody, Nick, Linda, Anna, Misa. Okay, Anna is writing. Okay, very good, Anna. That's Sam's cat. Okay, good. Okay, Anna also is writing. Okay, Sam's father. Correct. The baby. Correct. The boy. Okay, so this is Sam. Okay, how about the others? Mm-hmm. Yes, Misa is writing. Okay, Nick is writing. Nick, I want you to write or draw a line. Okay, sorry. Let's start with Misa. Okay, Misa will do first. Everybody, Anna, Linda, Nick, you wait first. Misa will draw a line. Okay, Misa, you start. So where is Sam's cat? Misa. Linda, you wait. Okay, Misa will draw first. Okay, Misa will draw. Linda, Nick, Anna, you wait. Okay? I will call you later. So Misa will draw first. Misa, it's your yeah, you go first. You draw a line. Okay, Misa, Sam's cat. Okay, very good. Okay, Linda, Sam's sister. Okay, how about Anna? Sam's father, Anna. Where is Sam's father? Anna. Anna will draw. Linda, you stop, Linda. Okay? Anna will draw. Okay, Sam's father. Very good. Next. Next. The baby. Okay, how about Linda? Where is the baby? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So let's try to look at that. Where's the baby? Let's have Linda. Linda, you can draw. How about Nick? Nick, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Okay, very good. How about Misa? Where's the boy? The baby. This is the baby boy. Okay. So baby boy is this one. All right. Okay, so very good, everybody. So that is Sam's family. Okay, good job. So I will now turn off the annotation. Okay. All right. So this time, let's go to the next. How about this? Okay. Let's try to answer Lucy's family. So where is so we have here uh Lucy's mother, Lucy's pet dog, Lucy's grandmother, Lucy's father, Lucy's brother, Lucy's grandfather. Okay? So let's try. Let's start with Nick. Okay, Nick, it's your turn. Nick. So I want you to underline Nick or put a line. Okay, you go first. Where is Lucy's mother? Nick. Nick, you can draw a line. Sorry, you cannot draw a line. Okay, give me a second. Okay, go ahead, Nick. Try to draw a line. Yes, Nick, you can draw a line going to Lucy's mother. Where is Lucy's mother? Nick. Okay, Nick first. Nick, it's your turn. Nick. Nick, it's your turn. Where is Lucy's mother? Nick, are you playing? Okay, very good, Nick. So that is Lucy's mother. Okay, how about Linda? Linda, where is Lucy's pet dog? Linda. Okay, very good. How about Anna? Anna, where is Lucy's grandmother? Anna. Anna, you draw a line. Where is Lucy's grandmother? Anna, you draw a line. Where is Lucy's grandmother? Oh, why Misa is writing? I'm calling Anna. Anna, where is Lucy's grandmother? Okay, very good, Anna. How about Misa? Where is Lucy's father? Misa. Okay, very good. So that is Lucy's father. How about Nick? Nick, where is Lucy's brother? Lucy's brother. Yes, very good. So this is Lucy's brother. How about Linda? Where is Lucy's grandfather? Okay, good job, Linda. Okay, everybody, Misa, Anna, Linda, Nick, good job. Okay, very good. So you know how to um locate or identify the family. Okay. So there you go. All right. So this time, let us now move to the next part. Let's ask and answer about Sam's family and Lucy's family. So who's that? Okay, so let's identify who's that. That's Lucy's grandfather. Okay, so you will answer teacher's question, all right? So teacher will ask you, who's that? Then you would say, that's Lucy's. For example, that's Lucy's dog. That's Lucy's brother. That's Lucy's grandfather. Okay? So let's do speaking this time. Okay, let's start with Sam's family. Okay? So I will ask a question. Okay, let's start with Misa. Who's that? Misa, who's that? How do you answer? That's. How do you answer? Okay, you would say that's, for example, that's Sam's mother. Who's that? Who's that? That's Sam's mother. That's Sam's mother. Okay? So let's start with you, Misa. Misa, who's that?
Sam. Cat.
Sam's, don't forget the S. Sam's cat.
Sam's.
Okay, one more time, Misa. Who's that? Okay, very good. How about Anna? Anna, who's that? Anna, who's that? Anna, you will answer teacher. Who's that? Who's that? That's okay.
Brother.
That is
That is boy.
that's Sam. Okay, that's Sam. This is Sam. Okay, the boy is Sam. So teacher is asking who's that? So you would say that's Sam. Okay, one more time. Who's that? Anna, who's that?
That's
Anna?
Sam.
Okay, that's Sam's. Okay, let's have Linda. Linda, who's that? Linda, who's that? Linda, who's that?
That's Sam's the baby boy.
Okay, that's Sam's brother. Okay, baby brother. That's Sam's baby brother. Again, Linda, who's that?
That's Sam's baby brother.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, let's have Nick. Nick, who's that? Sorry. Nick, who's that? Nick, who's that?
This Sam's mother.
That's.
That's Sam's mother.
Are you sure, mother? Is this Sam's mother? Are you sure this one?
That's mother.
No, it's not. It's not mother. That's Sam's.
That's Sam's sister.
Okay, very good. That's Sam's sister. Okay, it's Sam's sister, not mother. Okay, very good. So those are the answer to the question. Okay, let's go to Lucy's family. Okay, let's start with you, Linda. Linda, who's that? Linda, who's that? That's
That's Lucy. Father.
Okay, that's Lucy's father. Don't forget the S, Linda. Lucy's. Lucy's.
Lucy's.
Again, who's that?
That's Lucy's father.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have Misa. Misa, who's that?
That's Lucy dog.
Okay, again, don't forget the S. Again, one more time. What's that?
That's Lucy's dog.
Okay, that's Lucy's pet. Pet dog. Again, who's that?
That's Lucy's bed dog.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have Anna. Anna, who's that? Anna, who's that?
That's ma that's mother.
Again, who's that?
That that mother.
Again, that's wrong. Who's that?
That's
That.
that Lucy grandma.
Huh? This one. Anna, who's that? Anna, you are not listening. Again, Anna, who's that?
That grandma.
Is that grandma? Are you sure? Is this grandma? Who's that? Anna, who's that?
That that
Mm-hmm. Who's that?
that mother.
That's Lucy's.
Mother.
Again, Anna, you follow. That's
That's Lucy mother.
again. Read the S, Anna. Anna, read the S. That's
That's Lucy mother. Lu
Lucy's. Again, one more time, Anna. Who's that?
that's Lucy mother.
Lucy's.
Lucy's.
Again, Lucy's.
Lucy's.
Again. Who's that? That Lucy's.
That's Lucy's mother.
Okay, very good. One more time, Anna. Who's that?
That's Lucy's mother.
Okay, good job. Okay, that's how you say it. Everybody, don't forget the S. Okay, don't forget to say the S. Lucy's. Okay, let's have Nick. Nick, who's that? Nick, who's that?
That Lucy grandfather.
Again, how do you read this? The S?
That's Lucy's grandmother.
Okay, one more time. Who's that?
That's Lucy's grandfather.
Lucy's. Lucy's.
Lucy's grandfather.
Okay, very good. All right, so everybody, Misa, Anna, Linda, and Nick, good job. Okay, so don't forget to pronounce the S. Okay, all right, so this time, everybody, we are now going to listen to a story. Okay, so look at the four pictures. And after that, we are going to read. Okay, so what you are going to do now is you are going to listen. Listen first to the conversation. Okay, okay, everybody. Okay, listen first to the conversation. And afterwards, we are going to read together. Okay? All right, everybody, let's listen.
Listening 12. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
How many brothers have you got?
I've got one brother.
What's his name?
His name's Tom.
2,
How old is he?
He's 7.
3,
And you've got a dog too. What's his name?
Bouncer.
Hello, Bouncer.
4,
Yes, Tom and Bouncer are my friends.
Okay, so one more time. I want you to listen carefully, Nick, Anna, Misa, Linda. Listen carefully and then practice reading, okay? So after that, I will call you to read, okay? So you are going to read with feelings. Okay, let's do it one more time.
Track 1.13.
Listening 12. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
How many brothers have you got?
I've got one brother.
What's his name?
His name's Tom.
2,
How old is he?
He's 7.
3,
And you've got a dog too. What's his name?
Bouncer.
Hello, Bouncer.
4,
Yes, Tom and Bouncer are my friends.
Okay, so let's start with you, Linda. Okay, let's start with you, Linda. I want you to read 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so ready? Start. Linda. Linda, you are going to read. Okay, so listen to teacher. This is how you will read. How many brothers have you got? I've got one brother. What's his name? His name's Tom. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, let's start with you, Linda. Linda.
How many brothers have you got? I got one brother.
Mm-hmm.
What's his name? His name Tom.
His name's, don't forget the S. His name's
name's
Tom.
Tom.
Okay, next, number 2.
How old is he? He's 7.
Okay, very good. Next.
And you have got a dog too. What's his name? Hello, Powder.
What's his name? Bouncer.
Bowser. Hello, Bowser.
Okay, next.
Yes.
Number 4.
Yes, Tom and Bowser are my friends.
Okay, very good. All right, so that's good reading. Anna. Sorry, Linda. Okay, so that's good job. Okay, next, let's have Nick. Nick, it's your turn. Ready? Go.
How many brothers have you got? I have just one brother. What his name? His name Tom.
His name's.
His name's Tom.
Okay.
How old is he?
How old is he?
How old is he? He's 7.
Okay, good. Next.
And you very good. A dog too. What's his name?
Okay, again, Nick. And you've got.
And you got
A dog too.
a dog too.
Okay, again. And you've got a dog too. What's his name?
And you got a dog too. What's his name?
Okay. Bouncer.
Bounce,
Bouncer. Bouncer.
Bowser.
Okay, next.
Hello, Bowser.
Hello, Bouncer.
Hello, Bowser.
Okay, next.
Yes, Tom and Bowser are my friends.
Okay, very good. So that's awesome. Good job for that, Nick. Okay. All right, good job. Let's have Anna. Okay, Anna, it's your turn to read. Anna. Okay, let's start, Anna.
How many brothers have you got?
Okay.
I I I have got one brother.
Okay, again. I've got one brother.
I've I've got one brother.
Okay, next.
What's his name?
What's his name?
What's his name? His name's Tom.
Okay.
How old is he?
How old is he?
How old is he? He's 7.
Okay, next.
And and you've and and
And you've got a dog too.
and you got a dog too. What's his name?
Bouncer.
Bowser. Hello, Bowser.
Okay, next.
Yes, Tom and Bowser are my friends.
Okay, good job, Anna. That's awesome. Okay, good job. Now let's have Misa. Okay, Misa, it's your turn to read. Ready, go. Oh, I cannot hear you, Misa. What's wrong? I cannot hear your voice. Again, how many brothers have you got?
Bouncer.
Okay, next.
What's his name?
Mm-hmm.
Tom.
Okay, next.
Here. He's 7.
Okay, next.
You have lots of food.
Mm-hmm.
Sir.
Okay.
Sure.
All right.
Yes. And boxer are my friend.
Are my friends.
Best friends.
Okay, yes, Tom and Bouncer are my friends. Again.
Yes, Tom and boxer are friends.
Okay, good job. So that's good also, Misa. That's a good reading. Okay. So this time, everybody, Misa, Anna, Linda, Nick, good job. All right. So this time, let's go to the next part. Let's ask and answer about Lucy. So we have here a sample question. How many brothers has Lucy got? She's got one. Okay. What's his name? His name's Tom. All right. So everybody, let's practice. Okay, let's read together. Okay, you follow teacher. Ready, go. How many brothers has Lucy got? Everybody
How
read.
many,
How many?
how many brothers has Lucy got? She
She's.
got one.
Okay, next. What's his name? What's his name? His name's Tom. Okay, so that's the question. All right, so let's practice. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's practice answering the question. How old is Lucy's brother? How old is Lucy's brother? How old? Mm-hmm. How old is he? How old is Lucy's brother? Misa. Misa, what's your answer? How old is Lucy's brother? How old? Yes, how old is he? How old is Lucy's brother? How old is Lucy's brother? What's your answer, Misa? How about Anna? Anna, how old is Lucy's brother? Mm-hmm. How old is he? How old is he?
How old is he?
Yes, what's your answer? How old is he?
How old is he?
Yeah, what's your answer? How old?
He's 7.
Okay, very good. He's 7. How about Nick? Nick, how old is he? How old is he? How old is Lucy's brother? Nick, how old is Lucy's brother? Nick, how old is he?
He's 7.
Okay, he's 7. All right, good. How about Linda? Linda, what's the name of his dog? What's the name of his dog? What?
Bowser.
Bouncer. Okay, again, answer in complete sentence. Bouncer is the name of her dog. Bouncer is the name of her dog. Look at the chat box. Okay, I wrote there. Bouncer is the name of her dog. Okay, again, Linda. What's the name of her dog? What's the name of her dog?
Bowser.
Bouncer is the name of his dog. Again, Linda. Bouncer. Bouncer is the name of his dog. Again, one more
Bowser.
time.
Bowser
Bouncer.
is Bowser is named of his dog.
Okay, Bouncer is the name of his dog. Okay. How about Misa? Misa? Okay. Who are Lucy's friends? Misa, who are Lucy's friends? Who are Lucy's friends? Who? Who are Lucy's friends?
And sure,
Okay,
Yes.
Tom and Bouncer
sure,
are
sure.
her friends. Okay, can you follow? Look at the chat box. Tom and Bouncer are. Who are her friends? Who are her friends?
Yes, Tom and sure. Friends.
Okay, Tom and Bouncer are her friends.
Friends.
Okay, good job. There you go. Okay, so this time, let's now go to the next. So let's listen and write a name or a number. Okay? Listen and write a name or a number. So, for example, Sam's got no brothers, but he's got 2 sisters. Okay? So, I want you to listen and write in your book. Okay? Listen and write in your book. Okay, so teacher will play and write your answers in the book. Okay, are you ready?
Listening 13. Listen and write a name or a number.
Has Sam got a brother?
No, he hasn't.
No brothers. Oh,
But he's got 2 sisters.
how many?
2. Yes, there's Jill,
How do you spell Jill?
Jill.
And how old is she?
She's 12.
12.
Yes. And then there's Kim.
How do you spell Kim?
Oh, that's Kim.
Thanks. And how old is she?
Oh, she's a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
Oh,
But Sam's got a cat.
oh. What's the cat's name?
It's Chippy.
That's a funny name. How do you spell it?
Chippy.
I like cats.
Yes, I do too.
Okay, so did you write the answers? Everyone? So you are going to write your answers in the blank. Okay? So here. So we are going to answer that. So write that in your notebook, or you can write the answers in a paper. Okay? So one more time, teacher will play and you listen and answer. So I will ask you the answer later. Okay? Okay, one more time. Misa, Anna, Linda, Nick, listen and answer. Ready, go.
Listening 13. Listen and write a name or a number.
Has Sam got a brother?
No, he hasn't.
No brothers. Oh,
But he's got 2 sisters.
how many?
2. Yes, there's Jill,
How do you spell Jill?
Jill.
And how old is she?
She's 12.
12.
Yes. And then there's Kim.
How do you spell Kim?
Oh, that's Kim.
Thanks. And how old is she?
Oh, she's a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
Oh.
But Sam's got a cat.
Oh. What's the cat's name?
It's Chippy.
That's a funny name. How do you spell it?
Chippy.
I like cats.
Yes, I do too.
Okay. All right, so let's now answer. Are you ready to give your answer? Okay, let's start with Linda. Linda, what's the answer? Linda? So let's have number 2. Blank is. So what's the name of Sam's sister?
How old is she?
Hmm?
How old is she?
Yeah, how old is Sam's sister? How old? What's the number? Can you give me a number? How old? But let's answer first number 2. What's the name of Sam's sister? What's the name of Sam's sister? So number 3 is the number blank years old. So how old she is. Okay? So number 2 first. What's the name of Sam's sister? Linda. How about Misa? What's the name of Sam's sister? You don't listen a while ago. How about Anna? Anna, what's the name of Sam's sister? Okay, you don't listen as well. How about Nick? Nick, what's the name of Sam's sister?
Jill is
Okay, Anna, what's the name of Sam's sister? Can you spell? What's the name?
J.
Okay, the name is Jill. Very good. Jill. Okay, what's the spelling? Can you spell? J.
Jill A
A.
E.
Okay, I want you to listen one more time, everybody. Okay, listen and write your answer in your notebook. Okay, so pencils are ready. Get ready with your pencil. Then you are going to write. Misa, get a pencil and write. Anna, get a pencil and write. Nick, get a pencil and write. Okay? So write your answers in your notebook and teacher will ask you your answer later. So listen one more time.
Listening 13. Listen and write a name or a number.
Has Sam got a brother?
No, he hasn't.
No brothers. Oh,
But he's got 2 sisters.
how many?
2. Yes, there's Jill,
How do you spell Jill?
Jill.
And how old is she?
She's 12.
12.
Yes. And then there's Kim.
How do you spell Kim?
Oh, that's Kim.
Thanks. And how old is she?
Oh, she's a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
Oh.
But Sam's got a cat.
Oh. What's the cat's name?
It's Chippy.
That's a funny name. How do you spell it?
Chippy.
I like cats.
Yes, I do too.
Okay, so that's it. So let's write your answers, or let's say your answers. Okay, Anna. Anna, one more time. What's the name of Sam's sister? The name is Anna.
Jill.
Jill. Okay, can you spell Jill? J.
E.
It's I. J-I.
J.
Double L. Okay, Jill. So that's the name of the first sister of Sam. Okay, how old is she? How old is Jill? Misa. Misa, how old? How old is Jill?
Jill.
Jill is how old? How old she is?
Hill.
How old? How old is Jill? How old? How old? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? How old? How about Nick? Okay, you don't listen, Misa. How about Nick? How old is Jill? Nick, you don't listen also? How about Linda? Linda, how old is Jill?
How?
Okay, very good, Linda. So, Linda, Jill is 12. Okay, so she's 12 years old. Okay, so Nick, Misa, 12 years old. Okay, next, number 4. What's the name of Nick's baby sister? What's the name of Nick's baby sister? Yes? Anyone can answer. How about Anna? What's the name of Kim's baby? What's the name of Sam's baby sister? Misa, what's the name?
Kim.
Okay, can you spell Misa? Yes, Anna. Anna is answering. Can you spell Anna? Spell Kim.
Kim.
K-I. It's I, not E.
Kim.
K-I-M. Okay, so Kim is the name of the baby. Okay, next. Sam's got a pet cat. His name is... What's the name of Sam's cat?
Chippy.
Okay, how do you spell, Anna? C. The name is Chippy. Spell?
H.
Okay, H-I.
The puppy.
Double P.
Y.
Y. Okay, very good, Chippy. So Chippy is the answer. So Misa, Nick, and Linda, you take note of the answer, okay? So Sam's has got no brothers, but he's got two sisters. Jill is 12 years old. Kim is a baby. Sam's got a pet cat. His name's Chippy. Okay? So that's the name. Okay, good job, everybody. Good job. All right. So that ends our lesson for today, everybody. So thank you so much for today. I will see you next time. Okay? All right. So thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.